Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect your PayPal account to GCash, allowing you to transfer funds between the two platforms and enjoy the convenience of digital transaction. So make sure to stick by to follow this step-by-step process on how to connect your PayPal to GCash, and let's just dive right into this video. And of course, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, let's start by opening whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. And of course, here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser. And in your case, you can open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So once you do so, before you begin even, ensure that you have an active GCash account. If you don't have one yet, you can easily create an account by following the steps outlined in the GCash app, or you can even follow the steps that I already mentioned in one of our tutorials in this channel, so you can go and get started. And of course, if you haven't already downloaded the GCash app from your device app store, or you can log in into your GCash account credentials. If you have the GCash app, of course, in your iPhone, you can simply go and log in into your account if you have an account. If you don't, you can simply go and create an account. And on Android, it's going to be the same. Go and download on the app Google Play. If you don't have an account, if you have it, this will be even great. Then you'll have to log in into your account. And of course, now in the GCash app, you'll have to navigate to link PayPal section. This will be located into like bank transfer option or a similar option like that, depending on the app layout. Then, of course, to link your PayPal account, you'll need to first of all have a PayPal account. So if you don't have a PayPal account, you can always go to paypal.com and create an account if you have an account, or if you don't have an account. And if you have an account, you can simply go and create an account for yourself. Let me just change the language into English. And here, of course, let me just, as an example, log in into my account and log in with the password instead. And I guess this is the password. So let me just log in into my account here. Continue to web. And of course, so as you can see, I have an account. You can link a card from here, but we cannot link an app from PayPal. We'll be able to link an app if we want on the GCash app. So you can simply go and go to bank transfer, then make sure to look for link PayPal. And to link your PayPal account, you'll need to provide the necessary details, including your PayPal email address and password. Ensure that you entered the correct information or your money will be gone forever. Make sure to even verify your PayPal account. After entering your PayPal details, GCash may require you to verify your PayPal account. This step is necessarily to establish connection between the two platforms securely. After that, of course, you'll have to go and confirm the integration. Once the verification is successful, you will receive a confirmation message starting that or stating that your PayPal account is now linked to your GCash account. Of course, it will be you'll receive this email normally in your email that you entered creating your GCash account or a PayPal account, even if you have the same email for both. Then make sure to go and access PayPal balance on GCash. So upon like successful integration, you can access your PayPal balance on GCash app. And this will allow you to use your PayPal funds to various transactions within the GCash ecosystem. And of course, after that, you'll be able to perform your transactions. So with PayPal successfully connected to GCash, you can now use your GCash account to perform a range of transactions, such as sending money, and even making purchases, paying bills, and more. Of course, using your PayPal balance. You can even make some transaction on the balance between PayPal and GCash. So from PayPal to GCash or from GCash to PayPal, whatever you want, it will be available also. Make sure to even keep your information secure. So remember to keep your PayPal and GCash accounts information secure at all time. Avoid sharing your login credentials with anyone and be cautious of phishing attempts. Even don't log in into your GCash account or PayPal account on any other device that's not yours, like maybe your friend's device or a public PC, I don't know, like college PC or something like that. Because you may forget your credentials there and people will be able to hack your account and do whatever they want with this. And of course, you can always see from here on the PayPal that you have your balance, of course, on the GCash also. So go to GCash online or gcash.com and log in into your account. Of course, once you're logging into your account, of course, if you can use the browser option, or you can even go and use the app option. There is just two options. There's not just the web browser or just the app. You can even use this in the browser. If you already have an account, you can simply go and log in into your account here, and you'll be able to click on your profile here as an example and log in into it. Once you do so, of course, you'll be able to perform even actions here. So as you can see, you'll be able to pay online, buy load, request money. You can even request money from PayPal, as we said, send money. So if you don't know yet how to do it, I'll basically even give you how to do it. So go to the lower right corner of your GCash homepage, then click on profile. So once you click on profile, tap on linked account, and there you will find PayPal. As simple as that. So nominate the PayPal email account you want to link on GCash, and it will be linked. So there's nothing more than that I can explain to you. It's pretty simple. You can even, as example, follow the how do I link my PayPal to GCash. You can follow like the supports provided by GCash, as you can see here. If you don't know nothing how to do it, as you can see, they will provide you with all the information, as you can see. So click on the bottom right corner profile. As you can see, you'll find linked accounts. Click on it, click on PayPal, provide your email, as you can see, and you'll have to verify it. Once you enter your email, click on link, authorize everything. And as you can see here, you'll have to log in into your email, click on close and continue. And as you can see, once you click on profile linked account, so this is just the same steps again and again. So as you can see, it's pretty simple to do it by your own. So don't worry about anything because I didn't show you like the visual because I don't have a GCash account. But as you can see, I showed you here how to do it. So here's the visuals if you want the visuals, and you are going to be good to go. So if you reached this point of this video, congratulations on connecting your PayPal account to GCash. And this will expand your payments option and provide you with added convenience for digital transaction with both platforms seamlessly integrated. You can even enjoy a host of financial service and easy manage your funds. So if you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below and subscribe for our channel for more helpful tutorial like this one. And of course, if you still have any problem, you can always leave it down below in the comment section or contact one of the supports of PayPal or GCash. So thanks for watching again, and I'll see you in the next video.